Hello, welcome back guys to MS Tech Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you what to do if you encounter the Fall Guys error code 200_19002. So basically what the error code displays is an error has been returned by Epic Online Services. So to get started, the first thing you can do is open up the Windows icon and you're going to type in services in the search bar. Now once that is open, you are going to scroll down until you see Epic Online Services right here, and then you are going to right click on it and you're going to click on properties. You are going to change the startup type to manual if you already don't have it, and you're going to click on apply and then OK. Now you can X out of the services tab and you can go back to see if Fall Guys is now working. However, if Fall Guys is still not working, the next method you guys can do is open up the Epic Games launcher. We're going to head over to library. You are going to click on the three dots right underneath Fall Guys, and you're going to click on manage, and then you're going to verify files. If you play Fall Guys on Steam, you can do the same thing. However, the process might be a little bit different, but I don't have Fall Guys on Steam, so I can't really show you, but you're just gonna verify the game as well on Steam. Okay, so once that is done verifying, the third method you guys can do is run Steam or Epic Games Launcher as run as administrator. So you're going to right click on the desktop or right click on the app, and then you're going to click on run as administrator every time you want to play Fall Guys. And the fourth and final method you guys can do is just to restart your PC. And that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.